Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix device not showing up on Bluetooth on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is drop down your notifications, click on Bluetooth, if your Bluetooth is already turned on, what you have to do is turn off your Bluetooth and turn it on once again and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is open your phone's settings and then go to the connected devices. Select the specific Bluetooth device that is causing the problem. For instance, in my case, this is the CMF Watch Pro 2. So what I will do, I will click on forget and I will click on forget device. And after that, what I have to do, I have to pair my phone with the device once again. And by pairing once again, if the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is turn off your phone and click on restart. So while your phone is restarting, what you have to do is take out your Bluetooth device that you are using. For instance, I'm using a Bluetooth watch. What I will do, I will also restart my Bluetooth device. I will click on restart and my device will be restarted. But if you're using wireless earphones, you can also restart your wireless earphones as well. So once both of the devices are restarted, what you have to do is try to pair them or try to connect them once again. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is open your phone's settings and type in reset Bluetooth. Now you will see reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click on it. Now you have to select this option and your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi devices will be reset on your phone. And it is not the factory reset of your phone. It is only the reset of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi only. So your data will not be deleted from your phone. But you have to keep that in mind. By resetting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it will delete or remove all of the saved Bluetooth devices that are paired on your phone. And also it will also delete all of the saved Wi-Fi networks that are saved on your phone. So you have to do it responsibly. But doing all of these steps doesn't work for you, then I have another option for you. What you can do is go to your phone's settings, go to system and go to software updates and click on system update and check if any system update is available for your phone. So if your phone is outdated, then what you have to do is update your phone to the latest Android version. So once your phone has been updated to the latest version, and hopefully then by doing all of these steps, your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix device not showing up on Bluetooth on Android. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.